Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official chess.com game website. Now if you haven't already logged into your account, you will find the login button at the left side underneath the search box. You can click on it and then use your credentials in order to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you can click on the settings button at the bottom left corner and then click on all settings. You will now be taken into your settings page, from which within the profile section you can change your username if you wish by clicking on the change button alongside it. You will then be asked to enter the new username that you wish to use, and you will also be told that your username can only be changed once every 90 days. Just type in your preferred username that you wish to change into and then enter your chess.com game account password in order to confirm it. You can then click on the save button and your username will immediately be changed on the chess.com game. Now if you wish to change your username once again, you will have to wait at least 90 days and you can change your username once again as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.